Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. If I didn't subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Gogoma Wen was seen celebrating this morning a pregnant scan of twins with her husband just after his death was announced yesterday. The same person that she told us, Komakji, that she bewitched. And then she also mentioned that I would rather drink champagne with the devil than to forgive him. Siyabonga Zulu died yesterday, and we are not so sure if the car accident was natural or it was caused by Gogoma. When we know that she is going through court cases with Siyabonga's sister that she assaulted some time ago, and seemingly it's not looking good. Is it a way of saying to the sister that stop whatever you're doing to me, I'm bigger than whatever you think? Just yesterday, your baby daddy that you cried for in one of the podcast, and then now today you are celebrating, putting your twin scan all over the internet, celebrating. What is that? A lot of people are saying, we think she went and do something, she consulted, and then she did something to that guy. There's no way this death was just natural. I don't know what you guys think. Yes, we know that she mentioned that Siyabonga's family was toxic and all that. They didn't like her, and she wanted to teach them a lesson. Is this a lesson, a big lesson that they should learn from her? I'm not so sure if this is natural. Let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts on this one?